Hey everybody, it's Mindy, and oh my goodness, this has been here a while. I've been so busy doing just a million things, and I have not had an opportunity to open up my most recent purchases from Diamond Art Club. So I'm going to open up this one today. You see, it's a square drill painting. See the blue strip there means it's a square diamond painting. All right, so let's get into this and show you what this is. Okay, this is not the one that I had, not the one I had to have from this order, from this week's releases, but since I was getting one, I thought, let me get two. And there's a reason I got this one. Here's their box. If you've never seen it before, that's what the box looks like. And I'll show you what I got. Okay, let's get it out and I'll show you. Here's our toolkit. Here's our canvas and our sticker. Here's our sticker. Okay, what'd I get? What'd I get? Okay, this is what I had to have to go with the other one. I had to get Cynthia. Cynthia. I have not seen anybody unbox Cynthia. So that's what she looks like. Okay, she has got this crazy rainbow hair, green fingernails, tattoos, her big old headphones on, rocking it out, tattoos. Michaelina. Okay, when I saw her, I immediately called her Melody's 90s sister. Okay, if you don't know, we did an event, Melodies of May, and Melody just reminds me of this, except Melody was a 70s chick, 60s, 70s, and yeah, Cynthia's got to be the 90s. Anyhow, I showed this to my son, who owns Melody now. Yeah, he got Melody out of me. And he was like, oh, wow. I'm like, right? So, had to do it. Just had to do it. Okay. All right, my 2 heart waxes are in the bag. Nope, 1 heart wax is in the bag. A pen, the tweezers, a bunch of baggies, and here's other goodies. A squishy, a tray, my other heart wax, and a multi-placer. My favorite multi-placers, yes. Love those. Let's put it all back in here so I don't lose anything. Okay, lots of baggies. Want some baggies? They got baggies for you. Okay. All right, let's open it up. All right, save that bag because I'll put them right back in there. Let's unroll her and let's get her out. Let's get her out. All right. Melody was so much fun to work on. I blinged Melody out like crazy. She had a guitar. Did a lot of rhinestones. I redid her fingernails, her toes, oh my gosh, I had so much fun with her. I can see doing the same thing with this one, absolutely. And it's got orange, look at all that orange. Orange used to be my favorite color. When we built our house in the 70s, I wanted an orange bedroom. I got an orange bedroom. Here is instructions, tips, tricks. There's a code in here. There's a code on your canvas. If you've never purchased from Diamond Art Club before, you can save 15%. You can use my code, Mindy15, on your first purchase. Welcome to Diamond Art Club, folks. Welcome to Diamond Art Club. Save 15% off your first purchase. Then you can find codes all over the place to save you a little bit of money. Here's a big old, oh my goodness. It's so reminiscent of Melody, you guys. Oh boy. Okay. Let's look at her up close on our little sticker sheet here. Peekaboo. And that's what she says too. Peekaboo on her fingers. It's tattooed, see? Peekaboo. Look at that hair. Oh my goodness. It looks like she's got like, is this her shaved hair over here? I don't know. Like I said, she's totally like a 90s chick, isn't she? Look at the tattoos. She's got a skull. Flowers, leopard print in blue, leopard print. She's got a butterfly, a rose, some flames, all kinds of stuff. And then look at the chest piece. Her heart has been stabbed. Oh, tragic. And look at the background is just orange. Okay, start and end date, Michaelina. The size is a 51 by 81. Oh, she's a little bit bigger. Okay. We have peel off labels here, individual labels, peel off. Put them on your containers. There they are. All of our symbols, DMC codes. And any number under 150 is an AB. So look what we have. We have a bright yellow color. Oh my gosh, seriously. If that bright yellow just outlined the hair, that would be awesome, wouldn't it? Ah, crossing my fingers. 2 greens and a blue. I mean, there's a lot of green. Her headphones, her hair, the tattoos, the blue. Okay, we got to look at where those ABs go. It's going to be great. I know it's going to be great. No, Josh, you can't have her. Oh, look. Well, there's the skull. That turns out good. And the dice. The die. Do you know a dice is 1? Die is multiple? Doesn't make sense to me, but okay. Okay, first of all, what would you bling out already? I mean, I think these gems coming off this, like, arm jewelry she's got going, right? She's got this arm jewelry. It goes down over her fingers and up her wrist. Definitely need some sparkle in that. Yeah. Whew. She's hot, isn't she? That butterfly turns out good. The heart, look at a drip of blood. Oh, her heart's been broke. Oh boy, you guys, they did it. They did it. Yay, they did it. Oh God. Oh yes. Okay. All around the hair. All outlining the hair, you guys. Yellow AB. Yeah, she's going to glow. She's just going to be like, bee. Right? What do you think she's listening to? What kind of music do you think she's rocking out to? Peek-a-boo. The is questionable. Does it look like A? I don't know. It's supposed to be a capital A, isn't it? In some interesting font. It's supposed to be this font. I don't see the A. I don't know. We'll have to work on that. Her nails. Nails. I'm not a green nail person. I may have to change those. I could see making them orange or blue. I'm not a fan of the green nails. That's just me. Maybe it reminds me of boogers or something. I don't know. Anyhow, we have a legend over here and over here. Scalloped edges. The soft canvas. All your details down here. Cynthia. Hello, Miss Cynthia. Love her. Isn't she cool? Green lips. Green and blue lips. Yep. Green and blue lips. Orange eyeshadow. Okay. All right. I love this blue leopard. I love the blue leopard tattoos. Those are cool. She's cool. She is cool. We got to look at the drills. And we got to see where the rest of the ABs go. I only know where the ones are. And that's not the only place. There's going to be a ton of the ones, you guys. There's going to be a ton of those. All right. Look at that massive, massive bag of drills. And look at those colors. Orange, yellow. See why I had to get her? See why I had to get her. Okay. So I forget to tell you, everything's on the bag, so you can't misplace her. Cynthia. Part of her print is gone, but that's okay. Let's just start with this. 2 of those. 742. Square drills. Are these new drills? Are they old drills? Let's see. The new drills all have the same type of faceting on them, where the other drills... No, this has the diamonds and squares. Okay. So these are the older drills. The new ones don't have squares or diamonds on the top. They just have a grid of squares. Wow. Okay, these bags are hefty too. Hefty, hefty, hefty. How many bags are these? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 741s. All right. 1973. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bags of 3865. I mean, all of her skin that's not tattooed will be 3865. 1, 2, 3, 4 bags of 740. All right, so here's the majority of your painting. Right here, orange and white. There it is. That's all you need to know. Have a nice day. Oh, 2 grays. That's probably going to mix in with the skin colors in certain places. A blue and a red. All right. Oh, well. There's not as many colors in this painting as some of the newest releases. There's 49 colors, but there is a lot of certain colors, like 8 310s. All right, 8 black, because this whole thing is just outlined with black. In between every strand of hair is black. The fingers, the elbow, everything is, you get it, right? Outlined with black. Okay, we got to be coming up to these ABs here in a minute. Where's the ABs? Okay, there's the first one. There's the yellow, 130. Boy, when we squish a drill, we squish a drill. I can feel it coming through the bag. Okay, AB, Aurora Borealis, iridescent coating on the drills. It's picking up all these colors. It's going to sparkle. She's going to glow. Okay, so my son always talks about when the lights are dim and he's downstairs and he looks over at Melody and she just is like, things are just shooting off her sparkles. I'm like, yep, that's what it does. A purple, a green, a yellow. Are these not just hip, fun colors? I mean, okay, so here's the blue. 138 is the blue. Very pretty blue. That's the blue AB. Okay. Another green. Oh, okay, this is a green AB. Now that's an interesting green AB. It's like a, I don't know, pea green. It's pea green, that's what it is. But it's an AB. It'll be very pretty. A blue, a gray, peachy orange colors, green, teals, another blue. Got one more strand here. We got the itsy bitsy teeny weeny yellow polka dot bikini. Got one more AB we're looking for, and that's this guy, of course. Yes, this chartreuse green. A little bit of that. Like I said, little tidbits. Some of these have, you're probably going to use like 5 drills. With all the tattoos going on and all the colors in the tattoos, I mean, you're probably going to get a little bit of something here, a little, but you know what I mean. You know what I mean, right? Okay. All right. Where are our ABs? Well, I already know where the 1 is. They are 1, 2, 3, 4. That makes it easy. 1, 2, 3, 4. And yes, Diamond Art Club, you did it right. You did it right. Okay. I already told you the ones. The ones outline all of her head. All of the hair all the way around is outlined in ones. But that is not the only place we have ones, okay? Ones are speckled up here. There are some ones in a few of her strands of hair, in the actual hair, in the strands, there's some ones. There's ones down here, which is her hair, okay? And anywhere else. Yep, we have a little here on her bell bow. I call it her bell bow. Where else? Any place else for ones? That's a lot, right? That's a lot. And some over here in this hair, over here. Okay, there's the ones. 2. 2 is one of the greens. And it's the green that there wasn't very much of. So let's see if I can even find the 2s. 2s, okay, down here. Right here. There's 2s. Some down here in the leaves of the flower here. Just a couple. Okay, where leaves? More leaves over here. Okay, Twos, two. Oh, okay, we have some in the hair. This strand here has twos. This strand here has threes. I'm just going to point them out while I'm seeing them. Twos here, threes, twos. So we do have some ABs in her hair. Both of the greenish colors. And, oh, 4. We have 4s in her hair. That's the blue. So we got the green and the yellow in her hair. The 4 in her hair. And then the blue. Yes, yes, yes. Do. In her leopard spots are AB. Blue ABs. Right here, her microphone, blue ABs. Yay. Yay, yay. See, like I said, in the heart, we have blue ABs. Do we? Yeah. Blue ABs. Okay. Blue ABs. Blue. See, they did it right. They did it right. They outlined her hair with the yellow. They put blue ABs in her leopard spots. More ABs in her hair. And some throughout her tattoos. Yes! How exciting. Won't she be fun to do? I was just talking about what you would do to bling it up. I mean, I will still do something here. I think this should be like, I don't know, pewter. I don't know, something for that jewelry. But other than that, they've got the ABs where they should be. They're beautiful. Beautiful. Okay? She's so cool. Love her. Okay, I cannot regret this purchase. Cannot regret that purchase. Not at all. Happy I got her. Love her. All right. Glad I opened her up finally. Like I said, she's just been sitting there and sitting there. Oh, wait until Josh gets home today. I'm going to take her out of the box. I'm going to be like, look, there she is. I should be like, hey, if you want her that bad, you should do it. You should diamond paint it. Then he'd be like, never mind. Nope. He ain't doing it. He ain't doing it. I'll tell you that right now. But she's cool. She is absolutely cool. All right. That's Cynthia, you guys. Okay. I got to put all this away. I don't want to. It's always like that. When you look at it and you're playing with the drills and you're looking at the pictures and you just start dreaming and you're like, oh, I don't want to put her away. I don't want to. But I have to. All right. Bye, Cynthia. I'll see you soon. I'll see you guys soon, too. Okay? Come back. You come back. You come back before she does, because it's going to be a while before she comes back. But you come back quicker, okay? Hit the like button, subscribe, and come back. All right? Okay. I'm going to go now. I'll see you guys soon. Bye, everybody.